I do not know why I do this to myself. I forgot to do the recap again, and it's currently 4, nearly 5 a.m. But I have to post it, so I'm staying true to the game. So let's go replay. I got a lot to talk about this video. I got Bitcoin to talk about, um, a few things I want to talk about. So let's start off on the high time frame. Right now, it's looking good for possibly. We have these areas where we could retrace. We've got equilibrium on the 4 hour, that's marked out. We've got equilibrium on the 4 hour, that's marked out. All these lows, right? Going to the 1 hour, we got London low, Asia low, previous day low. ES, London low, Asia low, previous day low. These are 5-minute lows. I'm guessing we have them on Nasdaq as well. We've got equilibrium here on ES as well. Moving to the 15-minute, I'm gonna get rid of this for now. So right off the bat, there's some SMTs. But market opens. Let's see what market has to offer when it opens. We just invalidate all those SMTs straight away. And we trade all the way down. ES, we're trading all the way up here. We still have these lows, possibly equilibrium, whilst Nasdaq is all the way down here. ES has created an SMT off of market open here. We traded up, while Nasdaq was trading straight down. ES, we finally, out of nowhere, get a retrace, equilibrium, continuation, confluence. Hold on. Equilibrium here. This nice retrace. We trade into equilibrium. And then we're looking for possible reversals to the upside, because we technically are starting to form like some kind of bullish SMT as well. Okay, but then going into the 1 minute, we get a clear sign. We trade down, start to respect this, and then we respect this 1 minute gap here perfectly here, and we respect it perfectly on Nasdaq. This is a clear sign to me. We're going to continue going lower, and then all of a sudden, ES has a dick candle. That is the entry. 100% that's the entry. Stops here. You got a take profit here with these previous days lows, and then the final take profit at these lows here. That's a 2-hour trade. This plays out beautifully, instantly wins, almost instant. This price action today was amazing. The reason I took ES is because ES still hadn't taken out these lows here, whilst Nasdaq had already traded way lower. We continue trading down lower. We reach equilibrium on ES, and all of these other lows. We just continue trading down the whole session. Very, very quick, smooth, fluid, no indecision. We're just going straight for it. It's an obvious setup, an obvious trade. Yesterday we had an obvious long. Today we had obvious shorts. And in this opportunity, here, I'm too focused on the what ifs. I'm not entering. I'm not on the phone ready to be taking the trade. These trade setups are happening quick. They're happening fast. I need to be taking these opportunities, but I'm being very, very, very laid back, and I don't have my head 100% in the game. So we missed a trade here on ES again. So we've missed 2 trades this week, 2 amazing trades we've missed this week, and we're in a really heavy negative P&L. So we should have capitalized off these 2 trades from yesterday and today. Tomorrow, I doubt we get good price action again. This shit's going way too well. But let's not talk too soon. We need to focus up. I'm doing terribly. We're missing trades. My head's in just a different space. Right, moving on to the second topic of the video. Bitcoin. I'm in. I'm calling longs. This is wrong. What are we saying? Previous all-time highs are here. We've just taken out these lows. We're coming to these highs here. In the US, we've hit these all-time highs, traded below these lows. We're trading into this gap here. We haven't traded it to these previous all-time highs, but right now we're in this gap. We have done the exact same thing that we did here. What does this look like? We get move up, move down. Then all of a sudden here, right, before we trade down horrendously, we get a little move up and we like manipulate these highs here. We get a move up, manipulate those highs, then trade down, smack down into previous all-time highs, right? What have we got here? We got two highs here stacked up, almost similar to these, right? And then what do we get? We get this same thing. We get a manipulation of this high, and I called these shorts. I called shorts on Bitcoin. I knew this was going to happen. Now, the only thing is, am I going to call longs on this? I want to be buying all the way down. I'm buying here. If it goes lower, buying all-time highs. If it goes even lower, I'm fucking full porting my shit, bro. I don't care. I'll sell everything I own. I'll sell my car. I'll full port into Bitcoin. Now, I have one thing to say, and I'm calling these longs. Right now we're at 74,000. I'm just going to say this one thing. These longs are way too obvious. They're way too obvious. I smell something fishy going on here. Now, I'm just going to say this right now. I smell something seriously fishy because this is way too obvious. I'm calling shorts on NASDAQ as well and ES. I want ES to trade down this year. I don't know how far I want it to trade down this year, but we're starting to trade down already. I don't know how far ES trades down this year, but my expectations were for Bitcoin to reach these lows by mid-year, because what happened here? What happened here with these previous all-time highs over here? This high here. We started trading down. We manipulated these highs here. Around about the same time we started shitting here. So we're shitting in December. Where are we shitting? We're shitting in December, okay? Shitting in December, manipulate these highs in April. Yeah, we're doing this shit way too quick, way too ahead of time. I was expecting us to fully manipulate these highs around about March-ish. We're like 3 months ahead. We've shit off this. It's May, okay? We've shit off this. This is what the first shit looks like, okay? We've done 43% here, okay? What are we down here? 20. So we're doing like half. We're doing like half what we're doing this year than what we did here, okay? So we shit here. We have a bit of consolidation. Looks like we're about to go up. Everyone's buying. Nope. Then we take another dump and do another 30%. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting price to do another dump after this. If it's completely copying this, we do another dump after this. We're not done dumping yet. I'm going to start dollar cost averaging Bitcoin, just start buying the shit out of it. But I think we have way lower to go. I don't know how much lower, but I smell a fucking fish here because this is way too obvious. Like, it's literally the same thing, setting up again. But now, this time, it's just too obvious. Nothing is this obvious. Nothing is this easy. Money doesn't come for free. You're not just going to buy Bitcoin here and make money. I'm sure there's something fishy going on. But obvious long setups, bro, it's like obvious. We're getting such a good price. But my only thought process is this is the shit we're having here. Okay, this is the shit. But then we're going to consolidate for a bit and continue to shit again. And then it's going to be a slow descent up. But this is happening so quickly. I can imagine us just going up like so soon. Like consolidating for a little bit. This shit happened here. December 22. December 21. By December 22, we were at our lowest. So by December 26th we should be at our lowest, which is just so far away. Like we're gonna get to our lowest way quicker than that. So this whole consolidation where we were slowly going up through the space of like 1, 2 years. The space we were going up for about 2 years. Like I think we end up doing this in 1. So I think we have another shit, wait a few more months, and then we end up going up this year. Like this shit's just moving so much quicker. But I just smell a rat. I don't know what's gonna happen here with Bitcoin, but this video is, I just want it there. I want to prove to everyone that this shit happens, and like it is this easy, like to actually read. But yeah, let's see what happens with this. That's a good investment that I'm doing right now. I'm just interested in Bitcoin is the only thing I'm interested in. I bought BP for a laugh. It's not even on my thing, is it? Here we go. Yeah, I bought BP for a laugh. I bottom ticked that shit. We bought on the green dot. I put the green dot there when I bought. We're up like 15% or some shit. I'm capping. We're up 12%. But we're up. Now I'm gonna just shift everything into Bitcoin. I'm gonna try and put a few thousand into that and see if we rip. But yeah, that's the trade recap. Hella long one today. Peace.